How to adjust a clutch on a rear-engine snapper mower. Snapper manufactures a variety of lawn care machinery. The Snapper rear-engine riding mower provides power and traction for both residential and rural locations. Lawns that have steep inclines may require additional power, which can be achieved by adjusting the tension on the mower's drive clutch. Applying more pressure on the drive belt prevents possible slippage that causes a loss of power. You can adjust the clutch on your Snapper rear-engine mower with basic mechanical skills. Things you will need: wheel chocks, combination pliers. Park the Snapper mower on a firm, flat surface. Turn the mower engine off and remove the ignition key. Set the handbrake and install wheel chocks for added safety. Locate the clutch yoke spring and spring guide. The spring and guide are accessible from the left side of the mower frame. As viewed from the rear, the spring guide is a flat steel bracket mounted vertically with 3 holes in it. Remove the yoke spring from its guide hole using combination pliers. Grip the spring at the point where it is inserted into one of the guide holes. The factory usually installs the spring in the center hole. Insert the spring in the upper hole to increase the clutch tension or into the lower hole to decrease the pressure. The center hole is regarded as a moderate setting for most applications. Remove the wheel chocks. Tips: warnings. Expect greater resistance operating the clutch if you have adjusted it to the upper guide hole. Conversely, less resistance will be experienced at the lower setting.